with Tom from CGI. It's from the track Machine to Machine. Tom, I spoke to you last night and you told me about your concept. I thought it was amazing how far you guys already are with your product. Can you tell us, again for the viewers at home of course, a little bit about what's the problem and what are you guys building to solve that problem?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for the big compliment you already gave to us. So we're actually working on the machine-to-machine track, which has sort of the next level idea of, okay, if you have a machine in this next world, how can we actually solve the human needs, the human problems of today? So we're actually focusing on solving the scarcity problem that's here, and actually not scarcity in terms of resources, because if you look, for example, at energy, if you look, for example, at mobility, if you look at, for example, at energy, it's already here, but we actually have a scarcity in location and availability of those resources. Mm-hmm. So what we actually want to do is sort of unlock that sort of those business models of scarcity thinking, mm-hmm. and make it available to the location and the time where those resources are actually needed.
Mm-hmm. And how far are you in the process of actually building a minimal viable product?
Yeah, so we are building this next level idea. So what we actually want to demonstrate is, because as soon as you have the platform running, which is actually owned by us all, that fulfills those human needs, mm-hmm. from there on you can start investing in infrastructure, which create a sort of moneyless environment. So mm-hmm. it's really next level thinking. So actually what we want to demonstrate is, first of all, a sort of simulation, how this might work with actually the technology of today. Mm-hmm. And secondly, we want to give a sort of demonstration with the technology of today, how we can actually start working on it on Monday. And we actually have the first prototype working, so that's cool.
So after this hackathon on Monday, the next 100 days, can you describe for us how your team will take this concept, this product, and skyrocket?
Yeah, definitely. So we actually want to start a movement, and we already involved different parties which are actually really excited about this concept. So on Monday we just go out with our concept, get everyone on board with our way of thinking, and really launch actually mm-hmm. our we'd say ecosystem, not platform but ecosystem. Mm-hmm. So what we actually want to do is sort of crowdsource our platform with the people who are enthusiastic, and we actually want to give the platform to all of us. So mm-hmm. it's not we don't want to create a new business model, but we want to actually get the people on board who are enthusiastic about it, and actually just really start this movement mm-hmm. for Monday. So technology, people, demand, supply. Yeah, it's already moving. So
that's great, and I love you're so passionate about it. You've mentioned the parties a little bit. Are there actually companies or organizations or whoever that you would like to involve, get them involved in this?
Yeah, definitely. So it's all about humans to start. So we actually want to create a platform that's from all of us and really breaks that business model thinking. But what I see is that within companies there are a lot of individuals, but most individuals and companies really think in terms of how can we actually leverage the research that are available to do it for the good. But they're now stuck in the business way of thinking. So if you look at our solution, you have supply, you have demand, you have a sort of technology need, you have an infrastructure need. Mm-hmm. So we're actually looking at parties like our government, infrastructure and milieu, or like a yellow branded post and parcel company, for example.
Okay.
Or just individuals who really like to contribute, because it's all about overcapacity. Mm-hmm. So it's just also, if you produce energy in your home, we just want to make it easy for you mm-hmm. to actually contribute your energy for a small fee, and then we can use that energy on a different location actually to fulfill a need. So it's it's just we really create a sort of movement with just sort of free capacity, and that's why it can work in the world of today, because we use the world of today, but we can offer higher quality for a lower price. So
yeah. So you really want to kickstart a movement, basically.
Yeah, really, yeah.
So I will give you the final words, final call to action. There's the camera. Yeah. Make use of this moment. The stage is yours. What would you like the final thoughts or call to action about your product?
So we actually want to create a paradigm change. Now the people are looking for the products and services, but we're actually moving towards an ecosystem where products and services battle and fight for you. And we are now working with a lot of enthusiastic people to make this real. And we actually also want to invite you, technology, supply, demand, player, to join us in this movement and make this real.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much for this interview and good luck.
Okay,
and I hope you really start a movement. Thank you so much.